This is the elevator at the State Historical Society of Iowa.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'll be right back. Sure. Should we start to go? Oh yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
That's cool.
And then, does it matter what floor? I'll just go down, up, and
yeah,
down.
let's go down and then I'll go.
Oh yeah. Oh, geez.
Safety reasons. Yeah.
Didn't realize it wasn't even shut all the way. All right. Up to 2. I'll actually quick get a still shot of this. Or no. All right. And then 20,000 pound capacity. All right, up to 2. Interesting. Very neat. This actually might be a piston pump, which is rather rare. What floor did we start on? 1, okay.
And for some reason, it's faster going down.
Well,
Which with the weight.
yeah, because the way these work is this doesn't use cables. It uses a piston on the bottom that pushes it up. So it's only actually using the motor to go up. When it's going down, it's just a valve letting liquid out of the pump.
Oh, cool.
So,
That's
oh
like
yeah,
getting
it's
to
got to
the
get
brakes.
that thing aligned.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.